Past me should apologize. Hello.
If I don't finish up cleaning, I just got embarrassed so badly in front.
You're dying. I'm going to get my stuff away. I've got my room. Wait, let's talk. Wait. This is not even everything that I want. Oh my god. Oh my. Past me should apologize. Hello. What have I done? What have I done? Easy to yeah, चल रहा है. I need a minute or 59. Oh my god, I need to call my parents. They're so concerned. Where are you? I need to explain to them what I am doing, what I have been doing. Look at my face. This is not a particular vlog. This is what I'm like. This is the reality of going into college again is like. Also, I'm contemplating कि मैं आधा सामान like फेंक ही दूँ या ऐसे विंडो खोल के फेंक दूँ और फिर कोई फिगर आउट ना कर पाए नहीं कर पाएगा आइडियली कि मेरा सामान है. So nobody will blame me and I will be rid. I'll be able to get rid of all this stuff. No, but genuinely, I have no idea how I'm going to ensure that ये सब fit out. वैसे आ जाएगा फिर तो मैं घर से तो ज़्यादा नहीं लाई. मेरे घर पे I took 3 suitcases now and I've come back मतलब 1 big one and 2 छोटे and I've come back with only 1 big suitcase. So my hands are red. So like I think हो जाना चाहिए. Yeah. Low-key, I like the view. Like kind of, I like it. I like that it feels like I'm not in college. You know, it feels like I'm in my own world. Which is nice. I feel like if उस side वाला view होता then it would be like, oh, you're here, you know. But here it feels like, oh, हाँ कहीं तो है, किसी तो पता नहीं कहाँ. But a cat कब दिख रहा है? I will show you. I need to calm down. We talk to parents.
Guys, look who it is. It's real. We're so back. After full 2 months. Crazy bhai. It is time to actually unpack. And I'm just thinking, in what order should I unpack? I have half an hour right now, then I have a meeting at 7. तो उसी पहले कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. I'm thinking I should set up my bed. You know, logically, bed set up कर लेना चाहिए so that at any point if I have to drop dead on it, so it is available. I know. तो मुझे वो कर लेना चाहिए. Also, I love how I've just like completely forgotten about the fact that कल सुबह 10:30 बजे मेरी internship presentation है. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया उसके लिए. I should get on that. And I know 1-2 घंटे में हो जाएगा. Max to max 1-2 घंटे में हो जाएगा. So, yeah. तक. I'm so tired. But let's get cracking. I'm watching off campus. By the way, I just realized when I was watching all these, like, you know, the script, edits and stuff of Off Campus, I realized that मैंने पढ़ी है the first book of Off Campus series, The Deal. Yeah, I read it.
I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling?
Wow.
That would make you smile. I'll bring you
9:13 p.m. and I am still in the middle of unpacking. Look at that.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears.
I just hope you're down for me. Forward step. No, wait a minute. We are so ready. Hi Shreya. See breakfast. Breakfast. Hello, my dear friends. I am back. My room is at your best. Don't look well. So, मेरी presentation हो चुकी है, and not gonna lie, it was amazing. It was great. I just went and I just, yapped about what I did, and अच्छा था. Like the faculty, I think they liked it. So that is done. Then I had lunch, and now I'm back. We have time till 2:30. So 2:30 को वापस जाना है. उससे पहले I have time to like set up my room and stuff. So I have exactly like an hour-ish. So I will start jaldi. I think 1 घंटा भी नहीं है because like what is the time? My iPad is dead. I'm wearing a watch and I'm asking what is the time. Okay, it's 1:30 and 2:30 में पहुंचना है, which means I have 45 minutes because I'll have to leave 15 minutes early. So that is that. We're having coffee. I feel so like re-energized and I'm like, wow, like life is so back. I feel good. I feel good to be back at college. I think pehli baar I'm feeling genuinely good, and I think the best part is that it's not about external factors. It's not about things are going so great. Some things are going pretty badly actually. But let's say have gone bad. Sorry Mohanji, I'm very grateful for everything going amazing right now. But kuch like whatever. It's not like ऐसे कुछ exceptional हो गया है या something बाहर जिसे मैं देख के बहुत खुश हो गई हूँ. It's just I feel like my like inner direction has gotten better. Like I know what I want, I know what I'm doing. I feel more confident in myself, and yeah, I'm just मतलब खुद में I'm just kind of happy and I'm kind of chill. Presentation done. I just had lunch and I came to my room and changed. I love this song. I can tell. If I don't finish up cleaning my room अभी, then ये I don't think कभी होने वाला है because ये बहुत vicious cycle बन गया था मेरे past rooms में, जहाँ पे मैं कचरा बना देती थी और फिर वो कभी होता ही नहीं था because every time I thought I would do it, I would be like I'm busy, I have something going on, blah blah, and I would take too much time to do it. So the trick is I figured do it super जल्दी, like super aggressively. तो वो ज़्यादा हो नहीं पा रहा मुझे क्योंकि मेरा right कंधा almost टूट ही चुका है after all that heavy lifting. Like I'm in so much pain because of that, but I don't care. We're gonna power through this. We're gonna make sure that पूरा room is done. It's 11:19 right now. I've decided I'll sleep at 1. 1 is the cut off. I'm gonna sleep at 1 and I'm gonna I'll wake up at like 7:38 जो भी है. But gonna sleep at 1 and tomorrow I have college and everything. But abhi I have to finish packing because I have so many things I want to and have to do that I want to start on tomorrow. मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरा room गंदा हो and I have to worry about my room, the state. So let's get this done. This is a challenge to you and to me. We will do this together. We can do this together. We shall do this together. And this is your motivation to get your life together. The trick is to just give yourself fixed time slot कि अभी करना पड़ेगा. So figure it the hell out and do it with me right now. Let's do it. So I have another hack. Okay, put one song on loop and keep listening to it until your task is done. Because if there's too much like activity, then वो too much dopamine hit मिलता रहता है and too much distraction हो जाता है. But if you listen to one song on repeat, it's the same thing again and again and again and again. So it just you get into this like flow state and वो बिल्कुल peak performance वाला state होता है. तो अभी हम वही करेंगे. हम सुनेंगे Body by Don Toliver.
Call me cash. Okay, I get no crazy about it when I'm touching on her. Y'all niggas ain't.
Oh God. Oh, so many books. Oh my God. Hi guys. Meet Ruchita. Ruchita, आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है about studying French? फिर से. मैं तो सब भूल गई हूँ. Same. अभी I just got embarrassed so badly in front of everyone. But you really did well then. Copy. Copy करके. Have you heard that song? Hey, do you love me? Oh, I got it right. Say it. I'll tell you in detail. Tell me. Hi, Sammy. Any thoughts? This is thought. Yeah. Look at the number. We have 8 books for 8 courses. What's that books? It is currently 11 p.m. and I am still not done unpacking my room. But हो जाएगा. आज का plan है कि I will not be sleeping until I get this done. If you watch my reel, like I posted a reel recently which is about like this or no sleep, like having these non-negotiables कि करना ही पड़ेगा वरना no sleep. But that's more about like छोटा daily habits that you like have to do. This is a unique this or no sleep. I am not sleeping until my whole room is set, like properly set. I don't care how exhausted I am. I'm gonna like go grab my 5th coffee of the day if necessary, but aaj hi hoke rahega. That actually reminded me that I should probably drink some more water because I've been drinking a lot of coffee. This is reminder to all my coffee and chai addicts. Please have adequate amount of water to compensate for हमारा addiction. So what I'm doing is I'm putting मेरे सारे like not casual, but like you know the post academic hours के कपड़े. So like basically like night suits and post academic hours के कपड़े on the floor of the cupboard. Like I'm stacking them up, and then in like these little boxes that I have, like these boxes, I'm putting in all my like nicer tops which are like for everyday classes में पहनने के लिए. So that is what we're doing. We're sorting everything out. Baaki I've put all of my winter clothes, not all, I think abhi aur hai, but most of my winter clothes I've put in my this thing suitcase, and then the rest of them also I will put in some other like bag or whatever. I am so glad कि मैं इस बार बहुत सारा सवारी नहीं घर से, because भाई यही पहनता है. But luckily I mean ठीक है, I have everything and more that I need. तो ज़रूरत तो नहीं पड़ेगी of getting anything else. Yeah. But yeah, I have to get a bunch of stuff done because I just want to like get my life together, which was the whole point of this video. That get my life together, karna hi hai. And sometimes you just have to like put these thoda extreme deadlines on yourself कि आज करना ही पड़ेगा, because otherwise वो नहीं होगा, literally like पता नहीं कब होगा. So but like you know, it's like that principle. It's not Pareto's principle. There is some principle that talks about how, I think Atomic Habits may also they talk about it. It's basically that like work expands to fill the time given for its completion. So if you give yourself like 5 days to, for example, set up your room, तो वो 5 दिन ही लगेंगे उसको. But if you give yourself one night, you will figure the hell out how to do it in one night. And I think having thoda strict deadlines with yourself is pretty important, especially for us people who have a lot to do and who need to be productive. And who also like to do a lot of masti and time waste. So like आज मैं dinner के लिए गई and like I'm pretty sure I spent like an hour at dinner because we were just having so much fun, like talking and like catching up and everything. And I have to do a lot of other stuff also. So देखते हैं if I'm able to do everything. Ideally I should like, मेरा plan है कि मैं अभी क्या टाइम 11:09 हो रहा है. Okay, 12 बजे तक मुझे at least like ऊपर से मुझे like ज़मीन दिखनी चाहिए. ये जो सारे पैकेट्स हैं, जो सारे मेरे डब्बे हैं, they should all be packed up and put inside the cupboard or under the bed, and the floor should be absolutely empty. And then like छोटा stuff I'll sort out, and then like I wanted to film a bunch of videos before sleeping. I also have to like shower and wash my hair because my hair has gotten so dirty because it's so hot. It's unbelievably hot and humid in Jammu. The weather is terrible. बाल धोने पड़ेंगे because I feel disgusting. So I have to wash my hair and then I want to film a bunch of videos. So I'm thinking कुछ तो मैं videos, like some reels that I wanted to make, I'll do it before showering, and then kuch I'll do after showering because I do not want to depend on my energy, on the energy that I have nahane ke baad, because you never know, what if I pass out, which I don't want to pass out. God damn, I so get to bed, obviously will not pass out. Do not pass out. Also, we might have like the curtains wale bhaiya coming to put up the curtains. Don't know if that's gonna happen tonight, but I think it is happening. Like the process is going on. So thoda wrap up kar lena chahiye abhi. Yeah, also I wanted to film like a long form video, and also I wanted to start editing my next video, my next vlog. So wo bhi karna padega. Yeah, then I'm gonna start like sitting in the library and editing because मुझसे लाइब्रेरी में जो लॉकर होता है वो रूम में इतना नहीं हो पाता है. But not just पढ़ाई, I guess in general. Like changing your environment in general would be another tip that I have for getting your life together. Like it genuinely just helps a lot if you're able to put yourself in a different physical space, and then that gives you like a different mental space also.